Hello and welcome to the channel. I am that Evernote guy, providing you actionable content that you yourself can use to make your Evernote better and better. This week we are going to tackle a question from a viewer, and that viewer is R.U.L.E.R, and he would like to know how I get the emojis at the start of my note titles. And this is a very simple setup for you to do, and it gives you a quick visual reference and a visual cue when you look at your notes to classify them so you know what you're working with. So if you stick along, within 5 minutes, you'll be able to build this yourself and do this in your Evernote. So without further ado, I'm going to chuck myself down there and we can see what it looks like and how to do it. Okay, here we are. And here's our question from Renault. This is my real life Evernote account, and I've created a holding folder and put a load of sample notes in here with all the different classifications that I use. As you can see, they've all got little emojis at the start of them, which tells me very quickly when I'm looking at a list of notes what they are. And if you're looking for something specific, like a meeting note or a piece of reference material, you can scroll down and you can see very quickly what is what. So it's an additional way to add on to Evernote's search function. So let's have a look at my list of emoji references. This is what I use here, as you can see, and I've just listed the specific emoji type, the note classification that I have, and any specific notebooks that they might be in. And I will share this in my R.U.L.E.R Note, my really useful links and Evernote resources. So you'll be able to get a copy of this should you want to use this system, but by all means, use your own. Now this is very, very simple to set up. In order to automatically add these emojis, I've set up little bots. So when we tag the note, it automatically adds this at the start of the note. And as a sample, I'll show you here, I'll do a new note, and this will be an idea, and I'm going to tag this as idea. And I'll do another one, and this will do another note there. And this one is going to be a reference material. We'll call that ref mat for speed. And let's tag that as RM, like that. And then that will add that emoji to it in a second. Again, the robots will do the work for us as ever. Let's do another one. Memorabilia. I have one for memorabilia for all my kids' pictures and stuff that I collect, and slowly but surely those will go off and get automatically tagged. Let's do one more for the fun of it, and this one will be an article, and I use this specifically with the Evernote web clipper. So while we wait for that to run, we're going to go into Filterize, which we use to build these bots, and we're going to build it. I'm going to show you how quick it is, and we'll get this done. And you can see two of them have updated already there, idea and reference material, and because we tagged them, they automatically get those emojis at the start. So you don't even have to think about it. Well, you do have to think about what your note is and tag it, but that is a minor give to get this nice little visual cue. Right, let's go into Filterize. Here we go. I'm going to create a new bot, and I'm going to call the bot ClassifierBot. And now we're going to give that bot an instruction. We're going to create a simple filter. We're going to edit the note title. We're going to add a title prefix, and that title prefix is the file folder there. And I use this for reference material. So let's continue. Our if condition, if it is tagged, has the tag RM. Now I'm actually creating this tag RM because this is updating my demo system where I've not put this in yet. That tag is now created in my demo system. Continue and insert if tagged with RM. Okay, that is done. That is complete. That will work every single time in my demo account now. And of course, if you want to build another one, it's so simple and easy. Copy, and you just have to change all the information here and you're away. I'm not going to change that now, but that's how easy it is to do. So let's go back to my Evernote, and you can see those two others are updated there, the memorabilia piece and the article. So that is how easy it is to do. I'm going to close this video out now. So I hope you can see how easy that is to do, how quick it is to do, and how useful it is. Try it out yourself in your Evernote, create a couple of classifications for yourself, put them in there and start using them and see how much you get out of it yourself. Trust me, I think you'll really enjoy it. It's a very useful way to add a little touch of gloss to your Evernote, and that's the type of content I shall be bringing you. Don't forget to check out my R.U.L.E.R Note, as already mentioned. Loads of useful resources. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and I hope you get value out of this video. Please leave a comment if you do. Many thanks. See you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.